friends, this is Arsh Kunji, and in this video I will show you the unboxing of a Boya BY-M1 Mic which I bought from Amazon. I will share you the link down in the description box so that you can buy it for yourself. This is a very good mic for beginners, so let's start. So these are all of the things you get from this box. This is the manual, this is the warranty card, this is the part of the mic, this is the holder, this is the cell, this is a nice fancy leather packet. It's also written Boya here. And this is a camera inserter, and this is a mic. The wire is so long, and you have to insert a cell here. There are also more for smartphone and for camera. So these are all of the things you get from this box. I am currently wearing the mic. As you can see, it is so much louder. I highly recommend you to buy this mic. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. So please like and subscribe to my channel. I wish you the best of luck. Bye.